the exhaust. I also have ABS codes. What is this? Hey guys, let's see. We got the exhaust off. Let's see if this is a beast.